Good morning and welcome to today's daily vlog. I've already been down a couple of times. Mum's had her coffee, she's had her meds, everything's done. We're about to go in, showers and everything. Mum's currently getting a wash upstairs, so that's sorted. I'll open the curtains down here. I'm going to open the curtains down here now. Open the blinds when Mum comes down. I'll do the window when my mum comes down as well. So yeah, I'm just basically going to go get a shower and everything once she's gone and had a wash, and then I'll help her downstairs for the day and everything. And then I need to get some washing done and stuff like that. So yeah, we're about to get ready for the day. It's been a while since I last vlogged. Mum's gone up to bed now. Got a lot of time in. The time is 6:21. She wants 2 of each biscuit, so here she's got 2 custard creams, 2 malted milks and 2 chocolate oaties. And then I'm just making her a cup of tea just here. So she's going to be having a nice cup of tea. And then a little bit later I'll come down and start doing the washing up. I'll do that a little bit later. We're going to sit with her upstairs for a bit, so keep up a bit of company. So yeah, first we need to make her this cup of tea. So that's the cup of tea already. I'm going to take that up to her and yeah, keep her company for a little while. And then we'll come down and do this washing up. Washing up is now all done. It's now 18 minutes past 7. It was 17 minutes past, but it just ticked over to 18 minutes past 7. Kitchen's all tidied down and the washing up is now all done, so all that's all cleared up. A nice fresh start for tomorrow. I'm going to go upstairs now and sit with my mum for a bit until she has her medication at 8:30. And then I'm going to come down and edit this vlog. So yeah, I'm going to keep my mum company for a bit. So it's now 38 minutes past 8. Mum's had her medications for tonight now. And we're just starting to settle down for the evening and everything. Got a nice apple and blackcurrant. And I kept seeing this cat. I don't know if it's going to be still there. But we can see. It's still there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it through the window, but it's just down there. Look. I came down to make my mum a jam sandwich a bit earlier. I turned around just to put the knife down that I was putting the jam with. Looked out the window, just staring directly through the window. And then when I came down just a minute ago, it was sat over where it is, but still staring at the window. And now it's sort of just laid down on the flower bed there. So yeah, I hope it's okay. I think it's alright. Let me have a little grab something quickly to see how it is. I think it's alright. Oh, he's down here. Oh, he's jumped over the fence. Yeah, he's gone. Oh no. Whoops. There was two. That one jumped over the fence, and then the one that was laying on the flower bed went and jumped over the other fence. I didn't realise there was two. So yeah, two cats. I didn't realise there was two. Obviously when I just went out there was one that jumped over this fence, and then the one that I saw before jumped over the back fence. So yeah, so I hope they're alright. Don't know what they were doing, but yeah, other than that though, not really that much else to vlog tonight. All I'm going to do now is edit this vlog and then watch EastEnders. It's now 8:42, so yeah, I think I'm going to edit this vlog, watch EastEnders and go to bed. So I'm going to end today's vlog here. So don't forget, if you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell so you always get notified when I upload new videos, and I'll see you tomorrow at 6 PM. So don't forget, if you dream it, believe it, achieve it. Good night.